Experts say the highest-grossing Oscar contender for Best Picture may walk away from the award show empty-handed because kids ruin everything. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz 60, and the subject matter in American Sniper is no laughing matter. But it was hard not to laugh at how the creators thought they could pass off a doll for a real baby. And critics say the mistake could cost the film big time at the Academy Awards. Vanity Fair assembled a team of film critics to discuss their predictions for the award show, and there was a general agreement that while American Sniper would probably win the popular vote, the fake baby makes the film unworthy of an Oscar. They did cast an actual baby for the part, but the day they shot the scene, that baby came down with a fever. They even had an understudy baby who just didn't show up to set. You can blame impatience, budget concerns, or probably both for the reason director Clint Eastwood said, just get the doll. But the movie was also nominated for Best Screenplay, and unless that guy actually wrote fake baby into the script, he totally has a shot, right? Buzz 60. Now you know. Pass it on.
We've seen some wild celebrity hairstyles this season, and if you're looking to revamp your look, here are...
I'm Logan Tittle, and you're watching.
It took 3 playoff holes, but James